a 3D ultrasound is a different kind of ultrasound where you can see what the baby are gonna look like when it born. Should I
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
because I want to see what the baby's gonna look like. And you can do it, and she's
Why
kicking and
don't
stuff now, so then we can go in and look at it.
When you see the baby now, when it look like, suppose you don't see what it look like, you go cut and carve it and make it look like what you want to look like. Leave it when the baby born. Scary, stop fucking about doing something.
Yeah, but you know you would want to see what the baby look like, so I don't know why you acting like you would want to see.
No, Carrie, when you was growing up, you nosy, you're pregnant, and you still nosy, you want to know what's going on there.
I'm not nosy. I'm a big woman now, and I want to see what my daughter is gonna look like.
Jesus of mercy. Can't you stop that? Can't you stop it? You're nosy. Leave it alone. I don't agree with it. Leave it alone. And don't even go there.
Okay.
What make you nosy, sir?
I just want to
Why are
see.
you
Because
so
I can't
nosy?
see now. I can't see. I want to see. I want to see what she in there doing. I feel her moving and I want to see what she doing.
You're too damn nosy. And you're pregnant and you're still a nosy. Leave it alone.